What are conditional statements?
Algo, it's so hot out there. Are you sure you want to wear that out? You should change into something else.
Oh, Algo, are you playing a prank on us? Wait a minute. Could it be Algo doesn't know how to decide what to wear? We've got to teach him how to make dressing up decisions based on different conditions. Here, let's look at his manual to see if there's anything we can use. Aha! It says, use an if-else statement to teach computers how to make decisions under one condition. This is the format of an if-else statement. If condition 1 is true, action 1 happens. If condition 1 is false, action 2 happens instead.
What does that mean?
It's like playing Simple Simon Says. Check this example out. Simon says, if you have 2 legs, then give a thumbs up, else turn around. Paul, you have 2 legs. Condition 1 is true, and this action will happen, which is to give a thumbs up. So what should Algo do when he hears this statement?
Let's see. He'll turn around.
Yep, Algo doesn't have any legs, so the condition is false, and this action happens instead, which is to turn around.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. I'll write an if-else statement to help Algo decide what to wear. If it is sunny, then wear a hat, else wear a beanie. That should do. Let's see. What should you be wearing today, Algo? He did it! Oh no, looks like it's going to be rainy. That doesn't look quite right, Algo.
According to the statement, condition 1 is not true, so this action happens, which is to wear a beanie. Algo is just following the if-else statement. I think we need to add another condition so that it'll work for a rainy day. Oh, we can use an if-else statement to teach computers how to make decisions under multiple conditions. If condition 1 is true, action 1 happens. If condition 1 is false, the computer considers condition 2. If condition 2 is true, then action 2 happens. If condition 1 and condition 2 are both false, action 3 happens. You can add more else-if statements if you have more conditions.
Ah, okay.
What are our conditions and actions?
1. On a sunny day, Algo should wear a hat. 2. On a rainy day, Algo should wear his umbrella hat. 3. On a cold day, Algo should wear his beanie. If it's none of the above, Algo should wear his favorite t-shirt.
This is how the if-else statement looks like. Let's test it out. On a cold day, what should Algo wear?
Condition 1 is false. Condition 2 is false as well. Condition 3 is true. So action 3 happens, which is to wear a beanie. Good job, Algo.
On a rainy day, what should Algo wear?
Condition 1 is false. Condition 2 is true, so action 2 happens, which is to wear an umbrella hat. Good job, Algo. Let's try out the statement one more time.
On a cloudy day, what should Algo wear?
Condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, and condition 3 is false as well. So action 4 happens, which is to wear his favorite t-shirt.
We did it! Now Algo can make decisions using if, else statements.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at clickview.net. Sign up for free today.